Agent Megan.
Secret Agent Megan.
Today, Megan's task will be to run down and pet a sheep. It's gonna be so hard.
It's actually harder than it seems.
I know. Secret Agent Episode 3.
Okay.
Here she goes. She's going. They're running away. Let's go follow the sheep. The camera's going everywhere. The sheep ran away. There's a stray sheep. Megan. There they go. Nice job. Come here, Secret Agent. Secret Agent.
Secret Agent! You just failed!
Megan failed her second mission.
Yeah.
Secret Agent.
Secret Agent! Secret Agent!